Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm looking at an item from Maxcio. I did purchase this myself just to be clear and transparent. So what is this? This is a wireless smart gateway. What does that mean? Well, sometimes if you have certain devices and you need to communicate with them and it's not a Wi-Fi device, you need a ZigBee or some kind of communication device to bridge the communication between the device, this, and your Wi-Fi. And that's what this does. Really simple to do, simple to hook up. Really quickly. I just want to show you what it looks like. I'll show you what's included in the box. And let's take a look at this together. So what's in the box? So what's in the box is the actual device, a small instruction manual, which is actually pretty easy to read, pretty simple to set up. You just scan the QR code here. It sets it up to a Smart Life app. Which has been using this for quite a while, and I absolutely love it. So just give you an idea what it looks like. It's just a basic app like this. It says Smart Life, and you can I have blinds on here, different things. So what you do is once you plug it in, it might ask you to do a firmware update. Go ahead and do that. And then basically you just plug it in here, the USB plug, and you just plug it into one of your power bricks or plug it into a USB power supply of some sort. It'll flash. It'll prompt you in the app I just showed you, to possibly, if there's a firmware update, go ahead and do that. And the Smart Life app. The Smart Life app will recognize this right away and start pairing it right away. Once it's paired to the Smart Life app, now you can control your smart blinds, your water sensors, alarms, whatever. That is controlled by a ZigBee. ZigBee is just another way of communicating. I think the reason why they use ZigBee is because it's a smaller transmitter. I think Wi-Fi is too large, and the small devices like blinds and smoke detectors and things like that use ZigBee technology for transmitting information. But you got to get the information from the device into the router, into your phone, all that kind of stuff. But I hooked it up, works great. Alexa hooked up right away to it. Everything communicated beautifully. And these are pretty seamless things, guys. Very reasonable, small, lightweight, compact, and actually very versatile. Again, the instructions are super easy. You really don't need them. You just basically plug it in. The device will, the software will read it, and you're good to go. And that's what I have for you today. And that is it. So this is what I recommend. Definitely go ahead and get one of these if you need it. And also, if you have some trouble, there is a reset button right there. If you have any problems, hit that reset button and start over, and you're good to go. Super easy, super convenient, and super fast. All right, guys, appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more fantastic videos, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.